everyone, I'm hairstylist Amanda Shackleton from NY Bridal Beauty, and today I'm here to show you how to use the nozzle that comes with your hair dryer. A lot of the times when you buy a new hair dryer, you get this piece, this attachment, and you don't know what to do with it. So I'm going to show you what to do. You just put it on the end of your blow dryer. It's really important to use this, especially on people with thick and wavy hair, or if you're trying to achieve some kind of bend or curl at the end. What happens is it helps to direction the heat of the blow dryer onto that specific piece of hair, and it will lock in the style that you're trying to do. So once you've got it on, you go ahead and turn your blow dryer on, and then just blow dry as normal, just like that, until you get all through your hair. And once you've done all of the sections, you're going to notice a big difference in the way that your hair looks after being styled with the nozzle. I'm Amanda Shackleton, and I'm a hairstylist.